Welcome to Fixit Design, where we bring you expert home decor tips and luxury interior solutions. In today's video, we're revealing 5 powerful tips to make your home look expensive without spending a fortune. These design secrets are all about creating a polished, high-end look using smart styling, thoughtful details, and clever tricks that interior designers swear by. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Use large rugs to define and elevate spaces. Nothing says luxury like a well-placed, oversized rug. Small rugs can actually make your space feel cheap and disconnected. Instead, go big. A large, neutral-toned carpet that anchors your living or dining area makes the room feel cohesive and grand. Look for plush textures, soft patterns, or subtle geometric designs that add richness without overwhelming. At Carpet Dubai, we recommend custom-sizing your rugs to fit perfectly and elevate the entire room. Tip 2. Invest in statement lighting. Lighting is the jewelry of your home. Swap out basic fixtures for eye-catching pendant lights, chandeliers, or sculptural floor lamps. You don't need to splurge. Many affordable brands offer looking designs in brass, matte black, or frosted glass. And don't forget the power of layered lighting. Add table lamps or LED strips to highlight artwork or walls for that designer touch. Tip 3. Use a neutral color palette with contrast. Expensive interiors usually stick to a neutral color base. Think whites, creams, taupes, and soft grays, but the secret is layering in contrast. Mix in darker tones like charcoal, espresso wood, or deep navy for drama and depth. The result: a clean, cohesive space that feels serene, modern, and luxurious. Pair this with rich textures like velvet cushions, linen curtains, and of course a statement carpet for warmth and balance. Tip 4. Incorporate symmetry and clean lines. Professional designers love symmetry because it naturally feels polished and intentional. Try placing matching lamps on side tables, using 2 identical chairs across from a sofa, or styling shelves with balanced decor. Clean lines in furniture and decor pieces give your home a high-end, clutter-free look, making everything feel curated and calm. Tip 5. Pay attention to details. Small upgrades go a long way in creating a luxurious feel. Replace cheap hardware on cabinets with brushed brass or matte black handles. Add molding or wall paneling for architectural interest. Style your coffee table with a few beautiful books, a candle, and a decorative tray. And don't forget your floors. Fresh rugs, clean finishes, and thoughtful layering make all the difference. And there you have it, 5 interior design secrets that will instantly make your home look expensive, stylish, and sophisticated. Whether you're refreshing a single room or transforming your whole house, these tips will give you that high-end look without the high-end cost. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Fixit Design, and hit the bell icon for more luxury design inspiration and carpet styling tips. Let us know in the comments, which tip are you trying first. Thanks for watching, and remember,